Proceed about 2 miles to west 300 north.
Okay, make sure to like and subscribe,
Proceed
guys.
about 5 miles to south 200 west.
Here we go.
Oh, a lot of people view on this one.
Okay, no lane lines. Let's see how OpenPilot does.
Yeah, we'll see how that does.
Okay.
Pretty much
So
good.
far, so good.
Oh, we have been a bit no lane lines and good
No
time.
lane lines.
Like it's gonna go that hill.
Toccata and Fugue in D minor of Bach, the famous Stokowski transcription with the BBC
Yeah,
Symphony.
it's gonna go up by here, so
A few of those in a while as well. Let's
Come on, get out, Snoopy.
As we mentioned, this brand new release is Bach.
I'm taking a good
We'll
left.
tell us about each one of
Hey,
those.
Snoopy.
But I want to ask a little bit more about the complexities of Bach.
Here, show it to the camera.
We return to the wonderful collaboration with Rachel Martin Pine and the violin sonatas. Jory did a great job
He got a haircut.
the idea that the harpsichord and some of the sonata works almost like fill-in plays. You know, a trio sonata would be 2 violins, a cello, and
He got
harpsichord or organ. And weirdly,
He got
because
his
Pine loved
haircut.
this, he would create these trio sonatas where he took those 4 instruments and made them for like a double layer harpsichord or for a pedal organ with your feet and your hands. Unbelievable.
That's right. The trio sonatas for organ would be the best example for this, and a number of the movements of violin sonatas are really in that idea. The violin has one very
Speed limit 40. Should we go a little faster?
right hand
Yeah.
of the harpsichord,
5:35.
the left hand.
So sorry, guys. Okay, so let's see, guys. Oh, it looks like we're starting to go up the hill and
Concerto type writings, and a number of the movements do certainly break with that pattern of the major sonata. There are other movements like the major sonata, which breaks entirely with a solo harpsichord piece in the middle, and
play with your food.
Do you want Snoopy
what
back?
seems to be the more stable version of it. This feels
Okay, here.
Well, it is staying on the right side of the road anyway.
No, that's his hat. Wow,
Has it gone out over this way?
No, I haven't had to correct it yet.
The hat makes his hair look
Talking
really.
about Bach, which is just a glorious experience, and
Ooh, look at his
he will
hair
be
now.
back sharing his feelings about the keyboard aspects of the work that he just recorded, which includes the Italian concerto,
My nice
French
brushing.
and the Titanic
He's
explanation of
going
what the
to
heck a chromatic
a hair shop.
is, all of that kind
No,
of
to the brushing shop.
I guess I might
Suck
have
is
to
going there
correct
too.
it.
Okay, here we go. Go, guys, up here and now just reaching
Okay.
on the car.
We may have to do some driving up here with this way.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
We'll see.
look.
Yeah, it's kind of going in there. Good thing it's a RAV4. Oh, that got corrected. Okay, let's
Pavement
Mom.
ends.
pavement ends. Uh-oh. We have all-wheel drive.
Look,
Deep shoulder
Mom,
drop.
look.
Is Woodstock saying hi?
Yeah, that makes this turn. Okay,
Oh
ready?
my guys! Oh, and we're
I
doing a
don't
big
think
turn.
so.
Oh,
Nope.
wee!
Not too
You
bad.
gotta say wee!
Hey, this is the first off-road trip we've taken.
Oh, yes.
Like there's people out in that field. I wonder what
Yeah.
they're doing out there.
Okay, I think we're engaged here on a dirt road. Whoa.
No, let's not do that.
Okay.
Daddy, put your hands. Yeah,
Okay.
put your hands.
Hands here.
Hands on.
Hands on.
Okay. I didn't mean to say that, but here we go, guys. You're forcing the steering wheel.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's doing okay here.
Be careful. Here we
Okay,
go,
be
guys.
careful.
We're doing this all again. We're doing this the non-proper way. Just push the
Wow, this is kind of neat territory.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are we on this road? Can I go see it first?
We're going somewhere new.
Oh, I know this place.
Okay.
No, this is actually located in my map, so it's not new.
Oh, okay.
What do you mean? We viewed this place like 8 times. What do you mean? You didn't see this, did you?
Get it.
Okay.
Like you're
Had
mountain
to
climbing
correct
up here,
there.
and all of a sudden you fall because
Let's go over
you
there.
see weird stuff that's going all the way.
Take control.
turned
Steering
around.
temporarily out of the
What? Dad, put your hands
The hands are right here.
Your hands can't be on.
Touch it.
Okay,
Don't
I'm
touch
touching
it. We're only doing the video
Okay.
when you
Oh,
keep
here's
your
it.
hands off. So keep your
Cancel.
hands off. Keep your hands off. Okay, guys, this is a video with mostly hands off.
Mostly hands off. Resume.
Mostly.
Yeah, so guys, this is a mostly just in case we like see a review scene.
But why are you eating popcorn?
Is that paradise over there?
Or something
Straight
like
ahead?
that. So
I don't know.
we need to get good service.
I think it's getting too close to the barbed wire fence.
So guys, you'll need to listen, but
You don't want
far
the
away
barbed
to
It's
go,
not barbed
but
wire, it's probably
we still have
electrified.
other stuff to go. But this might take a different road. There's
Where are we going?
What?
Paradise.
Oh, it is barbed wire?
Oh
Okay.
yeah, this is a
you don't
different
wanna
way
run
to
into that.
paradise, but it's pretty different.
It's
That's
definitely
And
the
other
same.
people can go different ways when they're from.
Have a what?
They just barely touch the steering wheel to satisfy the nag.
Barely touching the steering wheel is pretty much offline, as you guys see here. So you can see
Okay.
seizures, but
Got it.
yeah.
Sorry, camera.
Okay, so
It's
guys,
really bumpy, okay?
So
Okay.
yeah, this camera. So hey guys, it's really bumpy.
But
But
the camera's leaning. Don't hold on to the cord. The
Oh,
camera's. Don't hold on to the cord.
did you move it?
Connor, don't.
Oh, well, we can cancel that.
No, don't.
No? Okay. Okay,
We're
well,
not canceling.
hey,
It's-
okay.
This is Mount Fishko.